Union Home Minister for State Home Affairs Kishan Reddy arrives in Imphal on two-day state visit, refuses to comment on Indo-Naga peace talks. MPCC warns conclusion of Indo-Naga peace talks must not impede interests of Manipur at any cost. Amuko, CCSK, Hericon, Lipul and UCM come together as coordinating committee on Manipur integrity, Kokomi, to protect Manipur. Education Minister Thauchom Radheshyam launches comic textbook on environmental studies for Class 3 in Manipur for the first time in India. Deputy General Manager reportedly shoots at protesting labourers of Food Corporation of India go down. And Ukal holds Mera Mipam on Umang Lai Harao Batatiulia King Lesemba Sanachao, but tells Lai Harao organizers not to use loudspeakers. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News, and I'm Premi Thangcham bringing you the top stories. Amid apprehensions brought on by possible culmination of the ongoing Indo-Naga peace talks by month-end Union Minister for State Home Affairs Kishan Reddy arrived in Imphal on two-day state visit today. Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian, Rajya Sabha MP cum President of BJP Manipur, KSH Babananda, Deputy Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly and MLAs accorded a warm welcome to the Union Minister upon his arrival at Imphal International Airport under tight security this afternoon. Union Minister Kishan Reddy refused to respond to media inquiry about a possible finalization of the ongoing Indo-Naga peace talks between Indian government and NSC and IM. Kishan Reddy asserted that he came to meet with BJP workers in the state. The Union Minister will co-chair a General Security Review meeting with Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen at CM Secretariat in Babupada and will also meet Governor Dr. Najma Haptullah at Raj Bhavan today. He will attend Sainik Sammelan at IGR South Headquarters in Mantri Pukri and meet with Assam Rifles personnel tomorrow. Union Minister Kishan Reddy will also inspect More ICP and interact with officials of the ICP during his stay.
As a Minister of State Home Affairs, I am visiting first time Manipur. I am going to meet my party cadre and the government officials. I want to introduce, I want to assess administration. Just as a member of Union Minister, I am visiting the Manipur. I am first time Minister and first time I am visiting Manipur. Tomorrow I am here. Anything if is there, I will definitely speak with you. अभी कुछ नहीं बोला हूँ मैं थोड़ा मणिपुर देखने दो आप लोगों से मिलने दो थोड़ा.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC has reiterated its firm stance against any threat to Manipur and its people by the culmination of the ongoing Indo-Naga peace talks between Indian government and NSC and IM. The party has warned that both centre and state governments will be held responsible for any untoward incidents that may occur against any content of the Indo-Naga Framework Agreement that harms Manipur. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan in Imphal today, former Deputy Chief Minister cum MPCC President Gaikangam stated that people of the state are left in apprehension due to the recent remarks of Indo-Naga peace talks. Interlocutor R.N. Ravi, who stated that the peace talks will be finalized by the end of this month. He drew the attention of the 60 state MLAs to be brave enough to resign from their post if Manipur is ever affected with a conclusion. Gakhangam assured that MPCC members will definitely attend the all-political party meeting to discuss on conclusion of Indo-Naga peace talks called by Chief Minister N. Biren.
BJP na hairi BJP ki wangangloi mayamna including honorable chief minister Shri Biren masamang na hairi ba framework agreements implement to bakanda Manipur da sokningai lete mi pai ningai lete citizenship amendment bill so akwai sokningai lete ado tongan ba clause ama hapaga protective provision ama hapkani haibse hairi adubu hojikti agreement adugi manungi oiba potlam judi koi uba phangdri adubu apprehension yam sound leire implement to bakanda Manipur amadi Manipuri gi interest sokpa yabagi elements leire haibse singneba se poi se kon ngangai pasaw kanang lauri basi atei nate Manipur praja gi interest ta right lei bahita haja batare political party ama oina ngangpham thokpa ithodang pangthok.
Taking part in the press meet, former Chief Minister cum CLP leader Okrami Bobe assured that Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee continues to stand firm against any threat to Manipur with the conclusion of Indo-Naga peace talks. He reiterated that conclusion of the peace talk is welcomed only if it assures peace but never at the cost of the interests and integrity of Manipur.
NSN, IMG problem or any other organization leriba mayam singski issue singse masi once for all peacefully masi solve to ba haibasi koi mayam punamaki su apambani adu masi thabak oina onthorokpa matamda once for all permanent oiba lasting solution ama worknuna ba hona bada koi hanadagi su hauna Manipur gi maruina Manipur gi praja singna langtakna bise Manipur gi apunba territory si masi disintegrate tawgadra jiwjiki natana kona torokpa yaba haiba tare adugumba provision adugumba condition yauna implement torokadra haibaduni.
Manipur State Council, Communist Party of India carried out protest demonstrations against Indo-Naga Framework Agreement and Citizenship Amendment Bill at 4 different places in Imphal East, Bishnupur and Kakching district today. Amuko, CCSK, Herikon, Lipol and UCM joined together as coordinating committee on Manipur integrity. Kokomi to fight for the integrity of Manipur in view of the possible conclusion of Indo-Naga peace talks. Newly elected coordinator of the committee cum UCM President Sunil Karam announced that various agitations will be carried out across the state starting tomorrow. Speaking to media at CCSK office in New Check on this evening, Sunil Karam said that apprehension is rising among the people in the state as there is possibility of territorial threat by the culmination of Indo-Naga peace talk proposed on October 31st. He appealed to the people of Manipur to take part in the protests initiated by the newly formed committee.
Framework agreement sida yauriba content do madu kari no puthokpiro aduga Manipur gi stakeholder da tanarachi adu tanarakanda maduda yauriba se submission omission tominarakanda Manipur gi apunbagi peace oiba solution ama oiba aba lambel amasu yananabagi adugi appeal dum thamjaningi Manipur miam punamagna alert oina leirakanda aikoi tang 13 de inagaduriba adugumba agreement sigi false masina Manipur interest solpo hek yorpu matamda aikoi hujik leijariba kokomina hek lauthorpa mikupta Manipur miam se alert oibinaba ningsingjari adugulena hauzik peace talk asida aikoi da leijariba apprehension mayam singse kai makra phaujaba mayam singse government of India na aikoi kokna.
United Committee Manipur UCM urged the state government to stand with people as the centre has failed to give any comment about the 10 days left conclusion of Indo-Naga peace talks. UCM held an emergency public meeting on peace talks between the Indian government and NSC and IM at Kaishampat Laimacham Laikai Community Hall today. Speaking at the event, UCM General Secretary Khuraijam Athauba expressed disappointment over non-disclosure of content of Indo-Naga framework. Athauba recalled that during a meeting between Prime Minister and leaders of UCM and other civil society organizations on December 22, 2017. The Prime Minister is sure to consult the people of Manipur before finalizing the Indo-Naga peace talks.
Manipur Miyamda, Akoi Mangjona Hana, Tanaramdana, final settlement as Akoi Puroi, Madu Procting at the Sweden, Akoi Tanaramgoni, I see India Prime Minister Ni, I have a Tazo have a Harakibani, Numitarani Kutanga was you of Povuda, Tanarak Trabani, Makatana, Tanarakani, Havaki Tazo was a Koidalate, Manipur government, Nasinanga Sipova, Makoi Kangde, in the government is Haiti, come to Harakul Late, have a late Aragadi, Manipur government, Tokira Pachangi, MLS in Tokira Pachangi, Manipur Miam, the Sanjanga Dolby House, the Makoshi Yosha Laganda, Akoi Puna, Sanjan Minarakanda, Assembly the Manipur Miang, you are a Lobiraga, India government aroi boina warning ama pirakanda siguma posing ase torokpa yaroi Manipur miyam na masi yade masi tobirakanu ana khoi hairamaga adui matung tarakpada moina namfuda tawragadi pullakan chap chana leba ki lana ma thengnabada khoi mai pakani habase achitba thajaba.
Meanwhile, Nagaland Chief Secretary has directed DCs and administrative offices of Nagaland to remain at their respective places of posting and within their jurisdiction until further notice. According to Impact news sources, the order was issued in view of the concluding Naga peace talk between the Indian government and NSC and IM to avoid any untoward incidents in Nagaland. It further said that the Chief Secretary has also ordered the DC and administrative officers who are on leave to join their office. Chief Secretary has even ordered to get his permission for any further leaves. Education Minister Thokchom Radheshyam launched comic textbook of environmental studies for class 3 in Manipur for the first time in India today. Officials of Education SCERT, BOSIM and ZDO attended the launching event organized by Samagra Siksha Manipur at its office conference hall in Babupara. Speaking on the occasion, Education Minister Radheshyam asserted that a comic textbook introduced on a trial basis will benefit children in learning their lessons in a manner. He maintained that if the impact of the comic textbook is positive, then the textbook will be implemented to students of up to class 8. Speaking on the occasion, Education as Director Tej Kiran Kumar stated that comic textbook of environmental studies will be introduced in some selected schools for the trial. He added that examinations will be conducted before and after introducing the textbooks to assess its outcome.
Level lu yeng we want impact of the textbook comics sikamai togen na mano adu pai dringe da moina hiram level lu ga same content same standard pura amuk madu comic tu tamhala yeng ma kana improvement la ga ri si impact si phai hai ga dam na madu i tang honest we na sincere na tawiro oza we ba education department le official le koi se we have to learn to do the same thing in a different way.
Deputy General Manager are reportedly fired gunshots at the labourers of Food Corporation of India go down when they agitated in demand for increased wages and to punish miscreant contractors. One woman protester sustained injury on her forehead. The incident occurred at around 3:15 p.m. today at the Food Corporation of India Regional Office, Manipur, near the Old Assembly Complex. The Deputy General Manager is identified as Dr. S. James. City police recovered a licensed gun with 4 bullets from him. The injured woman is identified as 30-year-old Hizam Kabita, daughter of Hizam Nirel from Samusang Lairen Bilairak, Imphal West. According to Impact news sources, family members of the labourers went to the regional office to meet with the Deputy General Manager R, and some women waited outside the office. They started agitating after hearing the gunshots. City police came to the spot and locked the office doors. Additional police team arrived and tamed the mob.
Nongmai hojita kapak tangari ai sa kamana normal ta dei noi ju khangde mayam ai moina kainogi proof to muthakini pa khali magi office chala kanda magi phamam du ki mathak rom da nongmai na hoji kapagi nongmai makhun chana laibani ma ingon da kapke tawbani ma ingon da kapado ai thaidok na ba inthok insin tawgi bada agi kok ta kapake tawragi siragi khelaga chakibani laiba ki je hoji ki minor oina uramgani angle macha matang soirama ba agi kok manung da hoji bullet to laigani FCI na kum lai thok pirak padagi mo khogi magi magi nupi loina bi mama sing yauri machan sing yauri makhoi yaura kanda 2014 da semgiba KFNPD gi laborers ki family committee singi mihut sing yaur kana makhoi na lambi takpi habdagi aina chinga kanda makhoi office to ta aga lakjabani mafam jida.
Umang Lai Kanba Apun Balup Ukal Health Annual Meramipam on Umang Lai Harauba at Lamyan Bashanglen in Palace Compound today. The event comments with Pena Yekairot performance. Speaking at the event, Titiula King Lesem Basana Jauba urged the organizers of Umang Lai Harauba to refrain from using loudspeakers during the festival to avoid disturbance to students and elderly persons. He also appealed to consult the experts of the various communities before dressing up in their traditional attires for Lai Haraupa performances. Members of Ukal also felicitate the best Amaiba Amaibi, Pena Asaiba and the Lai Bung, which hosted the best Lai Haraupa performance this year. Ukal President Chanamna Bachandra, retired principal of Lai Lup, Professor N.G. Kangjia and many eminent persons took part in the event.
Lai oisunu kana basa nabi oisunu natraga kana gumba magi yam ruba thabone oisunu base mafam matam sana rakra adagi hodai ba mirol cinema se yani ngakra ba adagi adu masanabi lining do marai sai kani aduna madu yodringa da sigumba ko asoiba miyamna nungdadi loina penadraba ungdokpadi hen nuai taba lighting adu mase matam le ko teba miyam ko miyamna mase sindongsi manamdi ko di lai harau bai base ko identity ni ko identity ojari base ko na masibu yani ngakra ba masih sumbai ko na sauninga ba natraga masih sum pelak pragadi ko ji identity ni hairasu bodo mamai dagi amna ko ji kari hani laibak thiba mawo madan lakani.
National Health Mission Manipur and Directorate of Health Services Manipur jointly observed Iodine Deficiency Disorder Day at Indian Medical Association IMA Hall in Lamphel today. Speaking at the event, Director of Health and Family Welfare Dr. K. Raju said that iodine deficiency disorders are easily preventable but difficult to cure. He stressed on the significance of consuming iodized salt to prevent various iodine deficiency syndrome like Spherinism, goiter, mental deficiency, stunted growth, etc. He called upon people to join hands in realizing the vision of World Health Organization to ensure adequate supply of iodized salts to everyone by 2030. Dr. Raju also urged people to store iodized salt in a tightly closed container in a cool place to preserve the iodine contained in the salt. Director of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Ranjan Yumnam IAS, Additional Director, Medical Care, Dr. P. Syam Sundar, Additional Director of Manpower Development Manipur, Dr. K.H. Shashikumar and IDSP Manipur Additional Director, Dr. L.R.K. attended the event.
Adigmatik dakar oiba adubu once laina singa se thokragadi masi cure tongam taba adubu photri ma mangri yamirai laina prevent to ya adu laina ne ba karino da iodized salt sar glore samsam adu once thokragadi masi incurable disease ne makalam ne ba disorder makalam ne aduna aikoina hoji thumsari ne haida koina paksa sabsu yati aikoigi iodine yaugudabni iodized oiba salt oigadabni ada mani thamma matamda makum chen khumjangadabni ada manin chajaloidabni aingma mafam thamgadabni sunlight expose hoba yade aduga mai ngasai thak matam sidasu yakoigi loiramdaida thakadaba thumji.
District Health Society Thoubal also observed Global Iodine Disorder Prevention Day at its conference hall today. Chief Medical Officer Thoubal, Dr. N. Jayanta, Officer of Thoubal District Family Welfare, Dr. K.S.H. Memcha, and District Leprosy Officer, Dr. K.H. Homeshwar took part in the event. Resource persons stressed on prevention of iodine deficiency disorders at the event. Iodine tablets and iodized salts were distributed to ASHA workers at the event. Bail hearings for the jailed founder and staff of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School was held at the High Court of Manipur today. Judge Murlidharan has fixed October 23rd for further hearing. Manipur police personnel kept a strict vigil to avoid any untoward incident during the bail hearing at the High Court. Members of JAC formed against a suspicious death case of a girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School tried to enter the High Court. Bail hearing for school founder's son, P.H. Robinson, and hostel warden was carried out at Chairab Court in report. Additional team of Imphal West Police kept a strict vigil at the Chairab court to avoid any unwanted incidents during the bail hearing. The Chairab court judge rejected bail plea of the warden and is scheduled the next hearing on October 25th. Indefinite band jointly called by United Tribals People Organization UTPO and All Tribal Sandstone Labour Association Moray on Imphal Palel Road has been relaxed till November 10th in view of Ningol Chakoba. Speaking to media, UTPO President Thangboy Mate said that they will hold a meeting with Chief Minister Nongthom Bampirin on November 10th.
UTPO and Alam, we have suspended our indefinite general strike from 5 p.m. today after receiving an appointment letter from the and could not meet us as fixed by them. We will do the agitation more wider and louder.
A team led by Tingzabung village chief Thongkolon Haukip destroyed Anglo-Kuki War commemoration pillar erected in Molnom 5 village under Tuivong block of Churchanpur district this morning. It may be mentioned that Molnom 5 village comprising of 28 households came into existence in 2018 and the pillar was erected at the village boundary area. Federation of Haumi in a press release urged the government to resolve the ongoing Anglo-Kuki war issue latest by October 30th and to punish culprits involved in tampering the history of the state. One, Doin Suna, aged about 61 years from Mukla, Umlangsor in Jenta Hills district of Meghalaya is untraceable since 3 p.m. of October 14th. He is about 5 feet tall and has fair complexion. He was last seen near Mantripukri NRL pump in Imphal West district. Whereabouts of the missing person may be informed at the nearest police station or one may also call mobile number 700-539-3756 or 700-322-3714. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on awareness program on National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme called Apprenticeship Pakwara. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. Labour and Employment Minister Thongchom Radheshyam has asserted that a community's identity is determined by the talent, dedication and curiosities of its people and not merely by size of land and population. He was speaking at the awareness program on National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme called Apprenticeship Pakwara, organized by Manipur Society for Skill Development at Classic Hotel in North AOC today. Stating that median age of India is 27 years, Minister Radheshyam stressed the need to harness the potentials of youths to advance the country and the world. He assured that National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme will be of great help in the process.
Why we are taking a lot of interest, why we are giving a lot of importance, the government of India, government of Manipur is giving a lot of importance to skill development is because we have to become the superpower. Skill है ये मीना लोग power नहीं लोग खांगा तो उसे knowledge के skill के फंगो power से अदरी है ना लेगा अदरी authority से highest power and the highest authority comes from your knowledge and your skill. If you possess, if you have the knowledge and skill, nobody is going to be above you.
Speaking on the occasion, Mission Director of Manipur Society for Skill Development, W. Malem Nganba Chinglei, said that an apprentice is a person who is learning a trade from a skilled employer or a firm. He added that if a firm has more than 30 employees, then it is mandatory for 2.5 to 15% employees to get apprenticeship training. W. Malem Nganba stated that the scheme aims to increase the engagements of apprentices from present around 2.4 lakh to 50 lakh by 2020. Additional Chief Secretary of Labour and Employment Department, Latkojin Haukip, Joint Director of Regional Directorate of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Guwahati, B.K. Singh, and business representatives of the state attended the event.
employees 30 dagi hen employed over establishment se apprenticeship low dia dia compulsory ne it's mandatory for them aduga apprenticeship kayam yam low dagi di ahan mada 2.5% tagina 10% for manung da apprenticeship se moi low dong ne haba now hojina laijana minimum da 2.5% low doni or and up to a maximum of 15% of their employees establishment amna chama employee labor establishment amna up to a maximum of 15% 15 फाउदी apprenticeship ओइना लौब याय हैबा 30 दगी ताबा establishment से अहिददी apprenticeship से compulsion ओइदे बसी 30 plus ता compulsory ने हैबा
Patsoi MLA AK Mirabai inaugurated a multi-broker prepaid trading center at Gambhir Singh Shopping Arcade and Empha today. Financial Awareness Training Center of the state Online Share Trading Academy also held its 11th Foundation Day celebration on the occasion. Speaking at the sidelines, MLA AK Mirabai urged intellectual youths of the state to stand on their own feet instead of being over-dependent on their parents. Director of Manipur Institute of Management Studies, MIMS, Manipur University, Professor C.H. Ibohol also graced the event.
ngasi ki prithvi ki chakhat lamjen da chalme Japan na China na kari da magda ngasi lamjen da yaw rei bano makhoi de lei ba lam da lei bana haro sing ai people sing se khong lei ba ta da sa padong na taw hona ba da makhoi mi ma ga yeng na te ba ado ekoi gi lam nam si da di lai lai su hai ra ba na haro sing jina ne sa gi ipak da taraga tawraga ngasi di mang ki ba gi sang je ado ki mati wang khale ya ba मसीगुम्बा कया सिंग सिदगी कंसी हाइबा तारगदी अकोई खुदिंग मकचे इसाना इसाबु होनजबा इसाना इसाबु लेपचबा ngमनबी वाखलोन से अकोई यामना दरकार ओइरेबा
5-day training of key resource persons in effective teaching learning in English at the higher secondary level for the state of Manipur kicked off at SCERT office in Lamphel today. Northeast Regional Institute of Education, National Council of Educational Research and Training, UMIAM's Shillong organized the event. Speaking at the event, Joint Director of SCERT, Jim G. Thingojam said that the training program will equip the teachers with new techniques and methods of effective teaching. Program coordinator of NERI, cum Associate Professor of English, Satarupa Palit, Dr. Surjit Ray of Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya Adarshya Mahavidyalaya, Koiring Assam, and Senior Finance Officer of SCERT, Natali Ningthongjam, and around 40 higher secondary school teachers took part in the event.
This 5 days program is going to cover a lot of teaching methods. Maybe reading, maybe writing, maybe talking skill, whatever the methods of the English requires. Madam, this 5 days is going to cover a lot. And Madam Palit has done the wonderful job of bringing a lot of renowned resource persons. And in these 5 days, the resource persons are going to communicate with the trainees and let them know the technique of teaching, how to teach, how to write, how to recite a poem. All these teaching techniques will be covered within this 5 days program.
Kanglai Park Kanbalup KKL has demanded to revoke the suspension order of Sanasam Basanta, a teacher of a Catholic school Kanchipur, within 3 days, or else want to ban the school. Speaking to media Jupiter Yambim Center in Pauna Bazaar today, KKL Secretary General Ngamkhailakpa Luwang alleged that Principal of Catholic School Kanchipur, Father Sonny Thomas, was dismissed on charges of sexual affair with one lady staff. However, the accused lady staff confessed through media negating that the relationship with Father Sonny Thomas and filed a case to Manipur Women Commission against teacher Sanasam Basanta and KKL Secretary General. Subsequently, Sanasam Basanta was suspended from duties. Ngamkhailakpa maintained that Basanta was declared innocent after a thorough interrogation by Manipur Women Commission.
Lady issue is Maran Lady Khana Sonny Thomas, Lotokre Adu Bukta Moina case, Lucian Dana, Tori Basiki Maram di Aquina, Chinazabata, Masi, Sunam Sasantoba, Aran Basing as you could send the Bohodabaki Adumba, Amaka Upani, Nasitagina, 3 days ki Manunda, Archbishop House, Amadi, Catholic Educational Society na, Sidi case, Sibu Yam to Lucian Dana, Azaba Santa, Si, Magi, Manifest Women's Commission, a PDF report, Abadi, Magi, Internet Inquiry Committee, can also put over matungda ma si yam thuna suspension kathalaga reinstate tawdragadi school asi akoina shut down tawragani.
Theatre Centre Manipur observed Manipur Theatre Day at Manipur Dramatic Union and Yai School Police Lane today. Theatre Awards 2019 were distributed in the event. Speaking at the event, Minister Karam Shyam urged the government to take extra efforts to boost Manipuri theatre. He maintained that theatre plays a significant role in entertaining and influencing people. He also urged people to respect and honor theatre artists. Manitco Chairman Wairade Shyam and Padma Shri awardee Naba Warepa also took part in the event.
Concerned ministers in Salaba, the Shanghai was a night of the Mamsina, country walking to say, Kandong of honorable tonight for the Wakana, but anywhere the Sunday and news in the Owi, but the Pradana, Kali have a say, echo the Tawa, the Owa, the Owa to Makulay, a slightly unchoy Makulay before Makui, Mami Manipur Theatre and Sakai Harris, the Yamsun Rainy. The treaty that Manipur theatre and Naramo and the treaty about Bayam, Hangi, Manipur Sarkar decided to make a media artists in the Yuhan and never told the budget, the opposite from the Poligazi, Alan Mofunaki, Shumia.
Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR held one-day awareness program on child rights at Hairok Higher Secondary School in Thoubal district today. Chairperson of CWC Imphal West Advocate Rekishore stressed on overview on child rights with emphasis on POCSO Act and GJ Act, while social scientist cum councillor of IGNOU, MU Danaver Laishram, gave resourceful insights on RTE Act and its significance during the technical session of the event. MCPCR Chairperson N. Sumitibala ZEO of Zone 3 Thoubal A. Anil Kumar, Principal of Hairok Higher Secondary School L. Zilla, teachers and students of various schools of Hairok took part in the event. Manipur Small Farmers Area Business Consortium and Krishi Vigyan Kendra Senapati jointly organized a training program on integrated farming, processing and marketing of farm produces today. The program was held under the aegis of National Institute of Agriculture, Marketing Jaipur at the training hall of KVK Senapati and Henbong, Senapati district. KVK Senapati Chairman Haukelet Kipgen, Project Coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Area Business Consortium, MS Kaidam, KVK Senapati Senior Scientist, Dr. N. Jyotsna and farmers from the district attended the event. Speaking at the event, KVK Senapati Chairman Haukelot Kipgen highlighted the inconveniences faced by farmers in Senapati district due to bad road transportation. He also urged the authorities concerned to take up necessary measures for fish farming in hilly areas.
Water is life. Can anybody live without water? I don't think not only human being, but animals. They require water. So, water is one of the most important to be a good farmer. I do really want to encourage if there is a way or if anything I can do for the progressive farmer of Senapati district.
So when we do farming, we have a product. That product is again, we have to go for marketing. For doing marketing, we have to do processing. When we do processing and value addition, the price is automatically increased. Instead of selling is a primary product.
A state-level seminar on Azad Hind Government and Indian freedom was held on the last day of Platinum Jubilee observance of Azad Hind Government today. All India Forward Bloc Manipur State Committee organized the event at Manipur Press Club. Teachers of various colleges affiliated to Manipur University attended the event. They stressed on Subhash Chandra Bose's roles and contributions in the Indian freedom struggle and India's independence.
अकोई महात्मा गांधी अमचुंग आजादी गवर्नमेंट की सुभाष चंद्र बोस अमदि अतुबा लुचिंग मयामना लौकीबा इंडिया की निंगतम लौकी वाखलोन मकोई कंट्रीब्यूशन अकोई नगसी काउंट तो बचंगी लोइना लोइना मकोइना पामजरबीगा महात्मा गांधी ना मंगमीबा नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र ने मंगीबा मंग अदुकी सरकार प्रो पीपल वइबा डाउन ट्रोडल पीपल सिकी फानाबगी खनबा सरकार अदु मसी वइबा सरकार सिना ꯑꯣꯟꯅ ꯇꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯟ ꯍꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯅꯍꯥꯔꯣꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯥꯁꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯟ ꯍꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯆꯪꯉꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯖꯥꯗ ꯍꯤꯟ ꯒꯣꯕꯔꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯅꯦꯇꯥꯖꯤ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯦꯛꯁ ꯕꯨꯛꯇ ꯇꯝꯗꯅ ꯍꯤꯁꯇꯣꯔꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯞꯇꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯏꯅꯧ ꯅꯧꯅ highlight tꯧꯕ.
Many people thronged to buy various local products at the one-day pop-up shop opened in view of the upcoming festivals at Dwellers Tea in Lumphel today. Dwellers Tea founder Elizabeth Yambem organized the event along with some local entrepreneurs. Chanu Foraj, Fortspek, Hailai Hills, while Kaithel Express, Maira, Nachom and other local brands displayed their products at the pop-up shop. Local gifts hampers were also made available at the sale.
Festive season ki mamang da ko akhoi gifting culture sichu leire ko aduga at the same time khoi local made ko products sichu hengale aduna si ki matang sida khoi local made ko products se khoi gift local concept se gift local gi culture se create tawning ba anova platform se maga khoi local gi products se gift tawbira kanda ko mateng su yam pangi adugi keno do wakhanron do janhaning ba hai tare aduna adu tawge de khoi myam pullaga chathamina wada ka tae ba.
In a way, Karena Paba, Akogi, Spider Zusaba, Port Mayam, encourage the Boyna, Sumina pop up shop on Matozena, Hodrokone.
Ziribam District Police held Police Commemoration Day at Ziribam District Police Ground in Babupara, Ziribam District today. Floral tributes were paid to the portraits of late police personnel who lost their lives in unfortunate incidents at the event. Ziribam District Police also presented gifts to surviving family members of late SI Yumna Budhi, Rifleman Ngangom Amuyaima and Rifleman Thangjam Birjit. Ziribam Deputy Commissioner Mayanglangbam Rajkumar, Additional Deputy Commissioner N. Bamkim and Adhaksha Kate Janaki attended the event. Kakching District Police, under the supervision of SP Victoria Yenkom, has also observed Police Commemoration Day 2019 at Kakching District Police Headquarters. SP Victoria Yenkom, Additional SP Law and Order, Lukomang Kongsai, Additional SP Operation, Nipram Nitrajit and top officers of the district attended the event. And now to sports news. Churachandpur district team left for Tamenglong today to participate in the 17th Hill District Badminton Championship 2019 organized by Hill District Badminton Association Manipur at Tamenglong Indoor Stadium from October 22nd till 25th. Vice President of CDBA and HDBAM Muan flagged off the 40-member team from Hyangtam Lamka in Churachandpur district this morning at around 9. India Army Vishwajit Singh Saikom of Manipur won the first ever Ironman 70.3 triathlon held in Goa for the first time in India. The triathlon event is an athletic contest consisting of swimming for 1.9 kilometers, cycling for 90 kilometers and running for 21 kilometers non-stop. Vishwajit reached the finish line in 4 hours 42 minutes and 44 seconds and won the race. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. Union Minister of State Home Affairs Kishan Reddy arrives in Imphal on 2-day state visit, refuses to comment on Indo-Naga peace talk. MPCC warns conclusion of Indo-Naga peace talks must not impede interests of Manipur at any cost. Amuko, CCSK, Herikon, Lipul and UCM come together as coordinating committee of Manipur integrity, Kokomi to protect Manipur. Education Minister Thauchom Radheshyam launches comic textbook on environmental studies for class 3 in Manipur for the first time in India. Deputy General Manager R reportedly shoots at protesting labourers of Food Corporation of India, Kota. And Ukal holds Mira Mipam on Umang Lai Harauba to Tiu Leking Lese Masana Chaupa tells Lai Harauba organizers not to use loudspeakers.